Hi Sunny, welcome back. My name is Wendy and today we are doing a 10-minute mindfulness walk on the Treadpad. We will just be going through a mindfulness meditation and I will guide you through it. So be sure to like, subscribe, or hit the notification bell so that you can stay up to date with all of our Treadpad workouts. So let's just get started. Come on and hop onto your Treadpad. You can adjust the speed here so that we can just start at a very comfortable pace. As you can see, I'm at a really slow pace, I think at a 0.9 right now. I just want you to be able to slow down a little bit and bring some attention to your body. So we're just going to center in. Let's just start with some deep breaths here. Breathing in through your nose, expanding that diaphragm and your lungs, and out through your mouth. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Great job, just one more here. In through your nose, out through your mouth. You may notice that while we do this, it's harder to perhaps focus just on your breathing because your legs are moving too. Ordinarily, you would be in a seated position when you're doing a guided meditation here. So wherever your attention kind of focuses, that's totally fine. Perhaps it's in your legs, perhaps it's in your breathing, whatever feels the most comfortable for you so that you can stay steady and focused. I do want to just draw your attention right now though to your legs and your feet. With each step, I want you to just notice the pressure and the feeling of your feet touching the tread pad. Notice the movement of your foot pattern, with your heel touching first down, and the slow roll of your foot as you move from heel to toe, walking slowly. And notice if your ligaments and joints are trying to adjust to each steady step as you take it. Just gradually giving some attention to your feet and noticing how they do work for us all day, every day. They steadily walk us through life and get us through hard times and good times. They're always there, giving us step by step as we move through this existence. And as you feel yourself taking each step, just send some love towards your feet, noting that they carry you throughout the day, that they raise you tall, and they keep you firmly planted on the ground. They hold all of your weight. They keep you moving forward. Your feet are here to guide you as you step one foot in front of the other. Taking some deep breaths here. Just acknowledging everything that your feet do for you. As we continue to walk, I just want you to start to notice the feeling of your feet in your shoes. Notice if there's any pressure imbalances, if you're weighing down in one foot more than the other, if there's any tension or pain in your ankles as you walk. And notice kind of the wave that your foot takes as it takes each step. Notice if your foot kind of wobbles as you plant yourself and adjust. And now just draw your attention to your toes, to your big toe and your little toe. that are both there to stabilize you and keep you upright. No matter whether you sway to the side of your foot, or you can feel the insides of your foot pressing down harder, whatever it is, without any judgment, just notice right now this feeling of your feet carrying you. Breathing into that space, we're going to start a slow body scan, working from your toes all the way to your head, and I'll be guiding you through. Taking another deep breath in here. Moving from your toes. Just acknowledging any tension, any pain, any feelings or particular sensation as we move through your toes to the ball of your foot, to the midpoint of your foot, to your heel. And notice with each step your ankle stabilizing you, adjusting to each movement. Notice if you're feeling anything particular there. And as we continue, I want you to focus on your calves and how there's a slight flex every time you take another step to push you forward. And if you're feeling any tension, you can lift your foot and flex your calf, tighten it for a moment, and relax it back down to a steady pace of this walk. Taking a deep breath and moving now up to your knees, noticing if there's any wobble in your knees, any pain or hurt there. And as we go through your body, just become aware of if any attention to sensations, bring up any emotions, or bring up any memories. Whatever comes up is welcome here. Sometimes, if you give attention to your knee and you had had a knee injury, you might be thinking about your injury, or you may be thinking about the loss of mobility or pain. If any of that comes up, let's just welcome it here. We're going to give space to acknowledge it, that it is present right now, and it's okay. You're still here with me right now. You're present in this space. And as we continue to work our way up, just give some attention to your quads, right above your knees, those muscles, slipping further and further up your legs, and just feel the muscle wrapped around your femur, landing all the way up into your groin and your glutes. Noticing if there is any tension in your hip flexors. Often we hold a lot of tension in this area because as far as fight or flight goes, this is the first position that ends up moving if you're trying to flee. So the first movement of your muscles will be in your hips to try to get ready and hunker down. So we hold a lot of tension there whether we know it or not. So I just want you to give some space to that. Whether you've actually been fleeing or not, your body might armor up for it. It's just a natural response. And continue moving up into your abdomen. Often we hold our breath throughout the day. We tense our tummy. You can feel butterflies in your stomach. Whatever is there right now, just allow it to breathe and breathe into that space. Now moving a little bit further up your back. Notice any pain, any tension there. Surrounding, swirling forward to your chest. Notice your shoulders, if they're up in your ears or lower. Readjust yourself as you need to relax your body. And notice any pain or tension that's coming up in your neck. And just for right now, allow it to be. We're not going to tilt you off balance by stretching it, but you can do that after you get off. And give some attention to your beautiful face now. Our face conveys messages all day long, working all of the muscles in it. And I just want to give it a moment to relax, to take off any masks, and just settle in. Being present with right now, with yourself, with this moment. No one's watching. You're free to just release and let yourself be. And with that, I just want you to take a final deep breath in, exhaling through the mouth, and allowing your body to relax. It was so lovely walking with you today, and I hope to see you back here soon.